2009 शिरदोना जाल्ल्या खुनाचे केसींत हायकोर्टान झेनिटो कार्दोजोक 3 वर्सांची बंदखण फर्मायल्ली. ते उपरांत हायकोर्टाचे अर्दीक आव्हान दिवंक झेनिटो सुप्रीम कोर्टात ताका अंतरीम थाकाय मेळ्ळ्या. झेनिटो कार्दोजोची ख्यास्त हायकोर्टान कायम दवरिल्ली ती सुप्रीम कोर्टान स्थगीत केल्या.
Just before the end of the deadline of 10th November set by the High Court for Zenito Cardozo to surrender before the concerned district and sessions court in the Siridao culpable homicide not amounting to murder case, the Supreme Court has stayed the order of the High Court upholding the verdict of the trial court convicting Zenito Cardozo, and the Supreme Court has further suspended the sentence of 3 years imprisonment. The Supreme Court has further issued notice to Goa government in this case over the SLP filed by Zenito Cardozo. Zenito Cardozo was represented by Senior Advocate Mukul Rohatgi, Senior Advocate Atmaram Nadkarni, and Advocate Michael Nazareth before the Supreme Court on Thursday. The relief granted to the Zenito Cardozo in Siridao culpable homicide not amounting to murder case will also help Zenito in the Rama Kankonkar attempt to murder case, as he is due to file the bail application before the High Court in the matter. Taking note of the High Court's order upholding the conviction of Zenito Cardozo in Siridao case, the North Goa District and Sessions Court had dismissed the bail application of Zenito Cardozo in Rama Kankonkar attempt to murder case. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.